How to remove mic above head in Roblox. First things first is access your Roblox client and then make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Next thing to do is just to pull up or access the specific experience or the game in which that specific microphone above your Roblox character's head is showing up. Now what you want to do, for example in this one, is just to open up your self-view character. To do so, just access the menu at the top left portion of your experience or game and then hit on self view. Now motion tracking off will remove the microphone above your Roblox character's head. That's it. That's how you remove the microphone icon on your Roblox head.